Hellcat.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. As you would have noticed, it's a rainy time in Kerala. So I took this opportunity to show you guys how to make an overflow system for your outdoor aquarium or ponds just above ground. An important point to take into consideration is make sure your measurements are accurate and precise. When you're cutting the pieces, make sure that you cut the pieces to the exact measurements which you have measured. This helps with all the pieces fitting together. Our overflow system has two parts, external system and internal system. I'm using 3/4 inch PVC pipes for the external system and 1/2 inch PVC pipes for the internal system. So let's get assembling. For the external system, you will need two 4-inch PVC pipes, 4 1.5 inch PVC pipes, 4 tees, 2 caps, 1 elbow. Moving on to the internal system, you will need 2 elbows, 1 2-inch PVC pipe, 2 10-inch PVC pipes. You'll have to cut the long edge of the PVC pipe into 45 degrees. Starting with the external system. Here is a visual representation of how each of the pieces for the external system will fit together. Make sure your tees are placed in the right direction. This side will go inside the aquarium. When the water level rises to this level, the water overflows from the opposite side. Okay, I'm gonna start. This is what the external system should look like. Moving on to the internal system. This is what they should both look like separately. The reason for this orange net is so that it prevents the fish from flowing out of the aquarium or pond once the water level rises. Let's put it together. I'm connecting both the system together. So this is how it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to test this. This will go inside the aquarium or pond. When the water level rises up to this level, it overflows from the other end. So this is the complete overflow system. Okay, I'm going to show you how to test this. Let's get testing the system out. The netted pot should go inside the aquarium. Let's fill the water into the internal and external system. Ta-da! We are going to test our system out now by increasing the water level to see how the overflowing system actually really works. As you would have noticed, the water had been flowing out from the elbow as soon as the water level increases. This suggests a successful system. Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'll be coming with more videos. Until then, goodbye.